Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Economic Survey 2025 highlights. The Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tabled the Economic Survey for 2024-25 in Parliament, reviewing the current financial year's economic performance and identifying key national challenges. The survey emphasizes deregulation as a key driver for India's growth and resilience amidst global economic uncertainties, proposing future reforms and strategies for sustained growth. It highlights India's real GDP growth estimate of 6.4% for fiscal year 25 and outlines measures for enhancing domestic growth drivers like agriculture, services and technology. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IAS-GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. India's economic performance. The global economy faced uneven growth in 2024, affected by geopolitical tensions, conflicts, and global economic instability. India's economy is projected to grow by 6.4% in fiscal year 25, driven by agriculture and services despite global challenges. The survey points to a moderating global trade pace and emphasizes the importance of domestic growth levers like investment, consumer confidence, and structural reforms. India's fiscal discipline and strong external balance contributed to macroeconomic stability, with moderated money supply growth at 9.3%. Deregulation and domestic growth drivers. The survey stresses the importance of deregulation for boosting India's domestic economy, particularly focusing on small businesses and individual freedoms. It suggests reforms in sectors like land, labor, building regulations, and utilities to facilitate economic growth. The adoption of digitalization, decriminalization, and divestment of unnecessary government functions are proposed as essential steps to modernize India's regulatory framework. Successful past reforms like GST and the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code are acknowledged, with an emphasis on further modernization to stay globally competitive. Energy transition and technology integration. A balanced approach to energy transition is highlighted, with support for electric mobility and public transport to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The survey advocates for skilling and education initiatives to empower the workforce, enabling India to leverage advancements in technology such as artificial intelligence. India's climate goals are closely aligned with technological innovations in renewable energy and transportation, while also managing the challenges posed by China's dominance in critical mineral supply chains. Sectoral insights. The survey identifies potential risks in the financial sector, including high US stock market valuations and increased retail participation in Indian markets. The banking sector has shown resilience with improved asset quality, lower GNPAs, and rising CRAR. Inflationary pressures, particularly in food items like vegetables and pulses, have been driven by weather-related disruptions and production shortages. The external sector remains stable, supported by strong services, trade, and record remittances. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the projected GDP growth rate for India in financial year 25 as per the Economic Survey 2024-25? 6.8%, 7.5%, 6.4%, or 5.2%? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.